Today's cryptic crossword clue is arrow shooter inhaled large puff. And I love this clue as an example of something simple and tricky at the same time, because you don't need to know any complicated techniques or unusual words to solve this clue. Everything's pretty simple, and yet the setter will employ two techniques to try and trick us. Probably the most straightforward part of the clue is in the middle with the words inhaled large. Large can just be an L. If you think of sizes for anything, you often see L, M, S, XL, XS. These are very common sizes. And also, our answer is short. It's 4 letters long. So if we could take the word large and just make it be 1 letter, that would be very helpful. So that's very likely what's going on here. And then we're told that other words inhale large. They absorb it, they take it within themselves. And so if we can find a word for arrow shooter and put L in the middle of it, we might find a word for puff. Now, we need to find a 3-letter word for arrow shooter, and that's tricky because all I can really think of is archer. What are some other words for arrow shooter? This is the setter's first trick, because while here it looks like arrow shooter is a person who breathes, devices can shoot arrows, implements can shoot arrows, a bow can shoot arrows. And if bow absorbs L, we get blow, which reveals the setter's second trick. We were busy thinking about inhaling a puff, but actually the answer is exhaling a puff, blow.